Good morning, everyone. My name is Cherishma. I am studying in third class here at Akash Vidya Vihar School. India is the largest democracy in the world. Our national emblem is the Ashoka lion capital. The earth revolves around the sun to come around the sun. Earth takes 365 days to complete 1 year. The moon, Earth, nature, satellite. The brain controls our body, helps us to think. The heart pumps blood to keep us alive. Science helps us understand nature and discover new things. Technology makes our work faster and easier. Phones, computers, robots, satellite. Example, technology. India has launched many satellites into space through ISRO. Science help us farmer grow food, help us doctors save life. Education, science and technology build a bright future. Thank you for listen. I am proud to be a student of Akash School.